In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Webex. First, we will launch Webex on your device. This could be on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure you have the application installed. If you are using a web browser, simply navigate to the Webex website. Once you open the application, you will see the main interface. It typically shows your recent meetings and contacts. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for all further actions. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Just follow the on-screen instructions to log in, ensuring you can access all features without any issues. Next, click your profile picture or initials in the top left corner of the Webex window. This area usually displays your current profile picture or your initials if no picture is set. Clicking here opens a menu that contains several options related to your account. It is essential to access this part of the interface because it is where you manage your status and other personal settings. Upon clicking, you will notice a drop-down menu appear, which allows you to customize your Webex experience. This little action makes it easy to adjust how you are seen by others in your meetings. Now hover over Availability. When you move your cursor over the Availability option in the drop-down menu, you will see additional status options. This is a simple yet significant step. Hovering here allows you to explore various status choices available to you. This gives you a preview of how you can communicate your current state to your colleagues. Being clear about your availability can help manage expectations in a collaborative environment. You will see the options become highlighted, indicating that you can select one. After that, choose a new status from the drop-down menu, such as Do Not Disturb, Available, or Away. Each of these statuses serves a specific purpose. For example, selecting Do Not Disturb signals to others that you are unavailable for chat or meetings. Available indicates that you are ready to engage, while Away lets your team know you are not at your device. This choice directly impacts communication with your colleagues and can improve your productivity. Once you click on your desired status, it will be set immediately, and you may notice a confirmation next to your profile picture. Changing your status in Webex is a straightforward yet powerful way to manage your interactions. This ensures that your colleagues understand your current availability, which can lead to more effective communication. By following these steps, you can easily update your status whenever necessary. This little step saves you a lot of time later by minimizing interruptions during your focused work sessions. Now that we have covered how to change your status in Webex, you are well equipped to manage your availability effectively. Remember that keeping your status updated is not just about personal preference, it enhances collaboration in your team. So take a moment to implement these steps whenever needed. You will notice a smoother flow of communication and fewer distractions in your workday. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.